Hi, good afternoon, everyone. Today is Saturday. The weather is too hot. I didn't wake up until 10 o'clock. Then I bought a tasty bread and on my way to beside the East Lake. Passing by a 蜜雪冰城, I bought a matching ice cream. Enjoying my ice cream, I continued walking to the East Lake. Oh, I'm almost there. There are many children and their parents riding bikes by the lake. I sit down and continue to enjoy my ice cream and bread. The bread is delicious. It has cheese, chicken, and crumb on it. But I don't think the bread is my meal. It's just my snack. Thank you for watching a normal Saturday of mine. I want to record my life by English. If you like my video, that would be great. But if you don't like my video, I will also keep recording my life. That's it. Thank you for watching.